Dr. Abhay Gupta is an esteemed member of our INSDAG Executive Council. Sir, we are meeting you at the sidelines of the seminar on role of steel in sustainable built environment at Thapar Institute, Patiala. What are your views on such seminar which are designed for enhancing awareness of steel usage?
Well, this is a great occasion. We are meeting here on this seminar organized by INSDAG, and such seminars are much needed since contribution of steel in building construction as compared to RCC is still much less. Primarily it is due to some myths and confusions which should be clarified, and such seminars I am sure will help a lot in this.
Sir, what can be the other important areas where more such seminars or workshop can be organized?
Number of them are there, but as of now, what I feel from my experience with the working with the steel structures, efficient structural design, fire protection, corrosion protection, better connection design, detailing and making, efficiency of alternate sections in design and construction. Like we are using plate fabricated, we are using rolled steel sections like UBUC or hollow sections. So which are better sections, efficient sections, and using LGFS in the steel construction. These are some of the immediate areas where INSDAG should work, besides life cycle cost analysis for each of them.
Right, sir. Sir, INSDAG has been organizing seminars, online training courses, conducting related studies in areas of steel design. What are the other probable areas that you think where INSDAG can play a role?
Primary objective of INSDAG should be creating awareness, encouraging professionals through competitions. You are already doing some competition for students, I believe. There used to be one competition for professionals in past, earlier. So professional competition should also be there. Capacity building in institutions, like as we have seen, there are not many teaching faculties available. So we should do that capacity building. IS code upgradation, a regular upgradation of IS code, like we are waiting for IS 801 to get upgraded. Then software evaluation and accreditation. Every software claims that they are good, they have incorporated everything, this, that. But probably INSDAG can independently do the accreditation after evaluation of such software claims. Skill development for workforce like welders, erectors should also be taken up. These are the areas which will surely help promote steel intensive construction in the country.
Can you list out some of the notable steel-based projects, what you did from the skeleton consultants in which you are a director?
Oh, that's a long list. We have used steel in industrial buildings traditionally, which everybody is using. Largest one which you have recently done is Maruti plant in Kharkhoda, India's largest EV plant, where almost 8,000 metric tons of structural steel has been consumed. But besides that, we have done residential building lighthouse projects. We have done hospitals like Sanjeevani Satya Sai Hospital in Ballabgarh or PICU in Muzaffarpur, Bihar. We have done hotels. Radisson Hotel Panipat is one of those examples of steel building. Institutions like IIIT Nagpur, steel concrete composite. Solar plant on the canal top in West Bengal, as I mentioned. Special structures like many statues we have done, right from Satya Sai or Lord Shiva or Ambedkar statue we are working. Tall statues, gigantic. Then special structures also include a 200-seater auditorium for at ICCS Rakabganj Sahib Gurdwara. Railway stations we are working, Udaipur and Ambaji as of now, but in country there are many more railway stations coming up with steel of altogether different concept. Adventure sports structures like tallest bungee jumping facility in Rishikesh and many more. And we have used plate fabricated sections, hollow sections, rectangular hollow, square hollow or circular hollow sections, universal beams, columns, and many light gauge framed structures also. So far as our experience is widespread on the steel structures.
Sir, what will be your message for the professionals who are working in the field of steel design and construction?
I'm a pro steel guy and I love working with steel for the simple reason that it gives you flexibility of working, like architect Renu Khanna just now showed. Besides speed, you also get a good aesthetics with the steel. So I am a pro steel and derive satisfaction with the steel structure. Steel is reliable, consistent, and a quality basic raw material with strength and flexibility. But one has to be ready with concept, pre-planning and meticulous detailing. ऐसा नहीं कि आपने इकट्ठा किया material and you are thinking of a cost in situ thing. You have to do everything pre-planned because you can't alter the steel section right on site. That is not possible. So you have to be ready with pre-planning and meticulous detailing, well supported by good fabrication and erection team. Whatever good you do on paper, it should be executed well. So you need that good working team also. Connections are very, very important and should be well developed. In steel, that is most important thing. It is not like that you bring the two sections together and they will simply magnetically connect with each other. No, not like that. You have to conceive and detail a proper connection. And then understanding behavior of steel connections and associated structural performance is very, very important. Means if I am assuming something to be pin connection, it should be designed like a pin connection. I am doing like a fixed connection or rigid, it should be designed and detailed that way. So these are the things where I am saying that the young ones should learn more. All bolted connections should be monitored, as I told, that for their loosening, for proper maintenance, flawless life of more than 100 years, I am very much sure with the steel, there is no doubt.
Sir, you have been overseeing our activities as an esteemed member of our executive council. So, how would you like INSDAG to play a role in, say, next 5 years down the line?
Correct. I have become EC member recently and I am very happy to see the activities of INSDAG by going through the monthly newsletter. Several projects where INSDAG is working and I am writing to you also, but prime organization responsible for steel intensive construction, INSDAG is there. INSDAG should create a portal for interaction amongst manufacturers, designers, clients, fabricators and erectors, where everybody can post the query, zeal, what they want from the entire lot, and somebody can answer them with authority. Similar to SAFE platform, we can create a platform for steel construction. Lots of good publications are already there, but people are not aware. I know that there is a long list of publications which INSDAG has, but how many people know it? We should give it to libraries. Libraries have got funds. We can give them a complete set. 10-20-50,000 रुपए खर्चा करना is not a big deal for those libraries, but that will help the publications to reach students, and they should be well circulated. Concerned resources should be connected with INSDAG. So best wishes from my side for the entire INSDAG team, and I'm happy that we are working in the right direction. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.